knowing the recoil pattern of your gun is really helpful. For example, this gun that I'm using, the GPR91, it pulls up left, right? So up left. So with this gun, you need to place your crosshair more on the right side of the target if you're just gonna pull down, because it's gonna kick left. So like for example, if I'm shooting someone and I miss by a little bit, right? Like right here, my aim is off. But since this gun kicks left, it's gonna start hitting the target. It's still gonna hit the target because of the pull. Watch, I'm just gonna pull down. I'm not gonna pull left. I'm just gonna pull down, and then I'm gonna start shooting. See how it looks like it's magnetizing to the target? That's because of the kick of the gun. So even though like I missed by a lot, it still started hitting the target, right? So as much as possible, if you're just pulling down, then place your crosshair more on the right of the target. If you place it on the left side, it's gonna have like a different result, because since it's gonna pull left, right? Like for example, if I place my crosshair on the shoulder right here on the left, you're gonna hit it by a little bit, and then it's gonna start kicking to the left, and you're gonna miss more of your shots than when you place your crosshair on the right. Watch, I'll do the same test. I'm just gonna pull down. I'm gonna start shooting. See how like you miss more shots if your placement was on the left side of the target. That's because of the kick of the recoil. So if you do, however, like when you're fighting someone and then your crosshair is placed on the left side, then to counter the kick, you gotta pull down and right. So watch, I'll do the test, but I'm gonna pull right this time. I'm gonna pull down and right at the same time. See how like you're more accurate because you're countering the recoil. So I'm pulling down and right to counter the recoil. And some guns, I mean, yeah, like different guns, they have different recoil. Like the PP919, this one kicks a little bit to the left, but then it starts kicking to the right. So this gun is it's kind of like opposite of the GPR91, where like it kicks to the left. The PP919, it kicks up and slightly to the left, but then it's gonna start kicking more to the right. So if you place this gun like on the right side of the target, right, you're gonna hit it a little, but you're gonna hit it a bit. Like for example, if you're off, you're gonna hit it a bit, but then it's gonna start swaying to the right, and you're gonna miss more of your shots. Watch, I'm just gonna pull down. And then if you do it on the other side, you're gonna make more. I mean, you hit more of your shots because it kicks right. So I'll try to aim like way off. For example, here, I'll aim right here, and then I'm just gonna drag down, and then start shooting. Yeah, you see how like it kind of looked like it magnetized to the target? Here, I'll do it again. So just knowing the recoil of the gun you're using, it's really helpful because you'll know like when or which direction to pull, and you'll start hitting more of your target.